Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to favorite important content in OneDrive, even with the latest changes in the web interface. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly find your most essential photos anytime, so you're never left digging around for that one special image again. Let's dive right in and walk through how you can make favorites work for you in the new OneDrive experience. Now, if you've used OneDrive Web before, you might remember seeing a favorite option directly in your Files section. That made it super simple to star any document or image you needed quick access to. But here's the thing, Microsoft has updated the OneDrive interface, and the favorite button is no longer where it used to be in the general files area. This can be confusing, especially if you're used to that old workflow and now find yourself wondering, wait, where did my favorites go? Don't worry, there's still a way to mark your most important content. It's just moved, and I'm here to walk you through it. Instead of looking in Files, you'll want to head over to the New Photos section. You'll find this right at the top left of the OneDrive web interface. Just look for the word Photos. It usually has a little camera icon next to it. Go ahead and click there. Once you're in the Photos section, you'll notice things are organized a little differently. Toward the top, there's now a dedicated Favorites area. This is where OneDrive now collects all your favorite photos, making it much simpler to gather those special memories, travel pics, or business images you need at a moment's notice. So Favorites hasn't really disappeared, it's just been tucked away in the Photos zone. Here, how you add a photo to your favorites. As you scroll through your collection, just hover your mouse over any photo that stands out to you. Maybe it's a recent family event, a scanned receipt you need for your taxes, or a creative project you're especially proud of. When you hover, you'll see several little icons appear over the image. Look for the star icon. This is the favorite tool. Click the star and instantly that photo is added to your favorites list. You can repeat this process for as many photos as you want, which is perfect if you're curating a set of images to share or reference regularly. Don't worry if you add a photo by mistake, you can always unfavorite it later by simply clicking the star again. It's a flexible system designed to help you stay organized as your photo collection grows. Now, one thing to note is that currently, this favorites feature only applies to your photos, not to other file types like Word documents or PDFs, at least not in this version of the web interface. So if you're like me and you used to favorite your important spreadsheets in the past, you'll need to rely on other organizing tools like folders or the recent files list for now. But for your photos, these new favorites are a lifesaver. Whether you're prepping for a slideshow, working on a creative project, or just keeping your family memories at your fingertips, now you can always jump straight to the images that matter most to you, no more hunting through endless folders. And that's all there is to it. The key takeaway, hop into the Photos section, star your favorites, and they'll be right there the next time you log in. Super simple once you know where to look. If this helped clarify the new favorites system, let me know down in the comments. And if you have any more questions about OneDrive features, ask away. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.